Hey guys, I've got 2 cans of crescent rolls. I've already got one of them laid out. Kind of looks like wings. I'm taking the other set of crescent rolls and just kind of making like a base. Always a hit every time I make it. It's like so pretty when it comes out of the oven. I've scrambled up about 6 eggs. Then I've got these sausage links. Chop up with a pair of scissors. Just make sure that they're small and like bite-sized. You can crumple up your own sausage ahead of time if you don't want to use these links, but I like using these kind of pre-cooked sausages. It makes everything so much faster and easier for me. And I've got some bacon bits just to add a little bit of saltiness. I'm not adding any salt to this recipe at all, so that bacon and sausage really helps. Let's go ahead and mix this up. This is when you can add other seasonings as well. If you like a garlicky scrambled egg, you can do that if you'd like. You can add Italian herbs or whatever you like to add to your breakfast eggs. I'm gonna go ahead and take this and dump this all over those crescent rolls right in the center. I've got 2 cups of triple cheddar cheese. Just take that whole bag and just add that to the center as well. This is going to be such a cheesy breakfast dish. It's going to be so good when it comes out of the oven. Then all you have to do is take these crescent roll sections and just, I'm going to go ahead and seal the bottom. So it kind of looks like a point. Then go ahead and just start wrapping the crescent dough around. Perfect. Go ahead and leave this section open. Got 1 egg that I'm just gonna break up just a little bit. We're gonna add some red food coloring, just a couple of drops, and some yellow food coloring, just a couple of drops of that as well. Just gonna mix all of that together, brush all over. Oh my goodness, this looks so good already. We're gonna transfer this to a baking sheet and bake this at 350 degrees for about 15 to 20 minutes. Oh my goodness, take a look at this. It looks so good. We're just gonna go ahead and pick. It's heavy. I'm gonna pick this up, get it onto our cutting board. Oh my goodness, guys, this is gonna look so cute. Got a bunch of parsley. Just gonna go ahead and shove that right on into our, look at that, perfect for Easter. Oh my goodness, look at this little carrot. It's gonna look so great on a brunch table. Just going to fan out that parsley. Looks just like a carrot. I'm gonna go ahead and cut into this. Now you can fill this with whatever, but today we did like a breakfast version. Cut this out as we go. And take a look at that. It looks so good. Perfect breakfast kind of pastry. That's delicious. Make this for your next Easter or springtime brunch buffet. I'm gonna go ahead and put this back together just like that.